guys, welcome to my first tutorial on SolidWorks 2017 version. So today I will be going to tell you how to interact with the interface and GUI of SolidWorks, and also I will be telling you how to start sketching interface. Like if I go to the new option and I click on this part and click on OK, so we can see the modules that we have in the SolidWorks. So this is the exact GUI of SolidWorks, and if I compare it with other softwares, this is quite easy. The GUI of SolidWorks is very easy and very easy to operate. So the modules that we are going to work with, they are sketch, then we have features, we have surface designing, sheet metal, weldments, and also we have some more modules like we have assembly creation and drawing, that is drafting part. So let's start from the starting. These are the main, this is called the main menu of SolidWorks, and this is the logo of design, that is of Resolve System SolidWorks 2017, and here we have some predefined features like we have design library, we have the SolidWorks resources from where you can also get the tutorials, and also you can start your document from here also, and we also have SolidWorks tools. So let's start our work. Let's go to the new option in the main menu bar. Also you can also go from here, and also you can go to the file and you can start with the new. Okay, so we also have a shortcut, that is Control plus N. It will start your document, new document. So go to the new option and we want to begin the sketching part. So just click on the part. If you want to go with the assembly, just click on this assembly and click on OK. And you want to create a drafting, then click on drawing and click on OK. So let me just change the themes, that is by default theme. Right now I am working on the dark theme. So if you want to change the appearances and if you want to customize the SolidWorks, just go to this option over here which is called the options. Click over here and we have different settings options over here. Like you want to reset all the options, click on this reset button and reset all options and okay. So your SolidWorks will be reset according to the default version. Okay, so now you can see it is converted into the light theme. So that is the default theme. Like again you want to see, click on this options, and right now we have the themes over here in the colors option. So here you can see the icon color. If you want to change it to the classic options, click on this classic, and if you want to work according to the, like classic displays you the work according to the lower versions. So you want to work with the medium background and click on OK. So now the SolidWorks is changed to the another theme options, according to the another theme options. Click on this new option now, and you want to begin with the part designing and click on OK. So as you can see, this is the prior version of SolidWorks. Like in the earlier versions, 2014 and 15 versions, we have seen the icons in the form of yellow colors, displayed in the form of yellow colors and all these type. So, and if we talk about the latest option, like I am using 17 version, so for that, if you want to change the options, again click on colors and you will go to the default theme. Now you want to change it to according to your, like I want it to be light default, click on OK. Now I have to begin the work, click on new part and then OK. So as you can see, the icons are changed. These are the realistic and the new icons, so which looks quite more good as compared to the earlier ones, and the interface is quite interacting and it's quite easy. The GUI of SolidWorks is very easy to operate. So we have the options, features options over here. We have sketching options. In this sketch tab, we have surfacing options. Then we have sheet metal options and weldments, and more further operations are over here. Like if you will right click anywhere in this tab, so you will find more options which you want to add. So right now if I will add the mold tools, so it will be added over here. Okay, so if I want to remove the surface options, I will again right click and just turn off the surface, turn off the mold tools. So in this way you can increase and decrease your tabs over here. So let's start our work. This is the GUI, and in the right hand side, this is called the specification tree. Like whatever options and commands you are using, so that will be displayed over here. As we will start working, we will see whatever commands and features we will be using, so that will be displayed over here line by line. Here you can see the material. If you want to provide any material to your design, so you can provide that material too. Okay, so we are working in the 3D interface. We are going to work in a 3D interface. For that, we have front plane, we have top plane, and then we have right plane. These are according to the orientation you want. Like if I want to design to be oriented in the front plane, and I want to design it according to the front plane, so I will just click over here and I will click to normal, so that will be oriented in front of me. And again I want to convert this to isometric. So in this view toolbar, you can see the options. Like here we have view orientation. So if you want to convert it into isometric view, just click over here and the design is converted into isometric view. Like right now you are not able to see. Like just turn on these planes. So here you can see all the options. Like we have front plane, we have the top plane, and we have the right plane. So this is in the isometric mode. So let's start our sketching. Just go to the sketch module and select any plane on which you want to sketch. I want to sketch on this front plane. Just click this plane. You have the options over here like sketch. Also you can choose from this ribbon options. Just select this sketch and you can see the plane is oriented in front of you. So now I want to start the sketch. So here we have different options. We have the sketching options, we have the editing options, then more mirror and linear patterns options. Pattern options are over here, and also we have options to define relations between the sketch and the geometries. So I will be explaining you one by one. So let's start our sketching. Just pick any tool from here, which geometry you want to create. Like right now I have a line geometry, the first one. So just click on this line geometry. So it is displaying you a pencil. Like you want to sketch, so sketch a line. So line, like what is line? It is the combination of 2 points. It's the minimum distance between the 2 points. So I will just provide first point and the second point. So you can see I have created a line. Again, this is a continuous command, so you can further continue this command whatever you want to sketch. If you want to stop over here, just right click and select. You can see the geometry is created. So now if you want to delete this symmetry, just select all the geometries and then press the delete button. All the geometry is deleted right now. Now again I want to create a parametric sketch, because parametric sketch that we deal with in mechanical designing, we have all the sketches and drafting which are present in the form of sheets. So they are parametric basically, because parametrics represent the dimensions and relations. So how to add those relations and dimensions, let's see. I will just use this line tool, and like I am designing an L section. So for that I will just start from this origin. I will go to the top and I will turn this to this right side. In this way I can create a L section. Now you can see this line is not horizontal. this is inclined at an angle. So we have options to add relations. So like right now I want to convert this line into horizontal. Just click on this line and you can see the option is available, that is horizontal. Click on this horizontal option, the line is now converted to the horizontal. So I want to provide a dimension to this sketched geometry. So go to the smart dimensions, and from here you can provide the dimension. Just click on the line and here you can see the dimension are displayed. Like I want to convert this line to 100. Type 100 and then press enter. You can see just click on this zoom to fit so that your sketch will be centralized. Now again I want to provide the width to this portion. Just select this portion and just I want to provide this to be 30. I want to provide the dimension to this line too. So now if I will provide the dimensions, it will display me that adding this dimension will make the sketch over defined. So we have the options to over defined and under defined sketch. That is the main thing of parametric designing. Your sketch must be constrained. And if I am providing this whole dimension to be 30 and this is 100 and this is 30, so automatically this is 70. So I don't need to provide this dimension. Alright, so what I have to do, I have to provide the dimensions over here. Like I am providing the dimension of this line. I want this to be of 70. So automatically now this is converted to be 30. Just click on this. Okay. Now you can see the whole sketch is in black color. That represents that the whole geometry is constrained, fully constrained. Okay. Now you want to add material to this sketch, just move out from this window, or either you can just go to the features options and we have the option that is extruded, boss or base. Now you want to add material to this L section according to the plane. So just simply go to the extrude. That geometry is selected already. So you can see the material is being added. Now you have to define the thickness of the material. In the direction also you have to define. So like I want to define the opposite direction. Click on this arrow. You can see you can provide the dimension accordingly. So I will just stop over here. I want to provide the thickness according to myself. I will provide this to be 30 and just click on this OK option. In my upcoming videos I will be telling you how to deal with the features. This is just to explain you how we work in SolidWorks and create our geometry and then we add material. So right now as you can see the material is added to that L section. You want to hide the planes, just click on this option. So this way you can hide the planes. I want to see the isometric view. I have given a shortcut that is Ctrl plus 7. You can see over here also this is displaying the shortcut to be Ctrl plus 7. So this is the isometric view. Okay, so this was a brief introduction to the sketching module related with the extrusion module. So in my upcoming videos I will be telling you how to work with the whole sketch module, and further we will move on. So if you guys like this video, please hit the like button and please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.